Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about UploadBucks. Now this is a product by Wesley Virgin, who is of 12-minute affiliate fame and is due to be released on February the 11th at 9 AM CST. Now basically guys, this is a YouTube product, so it's allowing you to upload Creative Commons videos to a channel in YouTube and then add affiliate links. So this exposed a 338.2 billion YouTube algorithm, and it's paying them $59 over and over. It's basically just uploading videos to YouTube. Now I'm going to go through the members here. I'm going to show you exactly what this is all about, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the strategy overall. But basically guys, there is a few flaws in this that I want you to be aware of. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and you can get started today. So guys, let's take a look at this. The usual 3 clicks and lots of money going to come into your account. $59 payments on tap, basically 0 hidden expenses, 365-day money back guarantee, and we'll pay you $300 if you fail. Okay, so we jumped inside. So basically this is the dashboard. Nice looking interface, nothing real issues with this. This is exactly the same product as their previous product called Instapays. I did notice when I look at their video, Instapays is another so-called hack, and basically this is the same product. It looks like they just changed the color because I see some of the training videos in here are from that product. But basically you have your dashboard here, then you have your settings, and the main thing you need to do obviously is set your affiliate settings. Now this is where I noticed that this is from their previous product. If I just run this video quickly, you'll see it says Instapays on here, and what you need to do is add your clickbank ID, because what they're asking you to do is promote various clickbank offers. Then you come down to this section here, which is all the upgrades. So you got unlimited done for you, autopilot, instant profits, traffic on tap, franchise, and multiple income. I'll leave the details of the prices of these in the description below. And you got a section here to contact their support. Then you go ahead and look at the bonuses. Now the bonuses here are some videos from Wesley himself. Then you have some social media links, which is a different way to do it. They've gone over to this library and you're giving you a load of images in this Word thing here with all these social media links. Not quite sure why they've done this. People normally use the application Add Me to do that, but there's loads of social links here if you want them. Then you have an image library here, again a little bit of a random image library all on OneDrive. Again, you don't need this, you can just go onto the multiple free image sites that you have. And then you have a webinar here, which you can go through this 10K webinar, and basically it's going to be directed towards John O. Armstrong's Ministry of Freedom product. So that's what you get for your bonuses. Now you have an emailing suite here. Now I don't like using these emailing suites because when it comes from web addresses like UploadBucks, and that's where you're going to email from, I just know they're just going to go into spam and you're not going to get any kind of success with email marketing. What I would do if I was you is use a free service like GetResponse, free to up to 500 subscribers, and it's a very reputable service that you can be emailing out of. So I wouldn't use an emailing suite from this. Then you have the campaigns. Now this is where you actually build your campaigns that you're going to use on YouTube, and basically what you're going to do is you're uploading Creative Commons videos to YouTube, and then in the link in the description below you put in an affiliate link. So I just go ahead and view the campaigns. Ones in this particular version are these two because that's the capacity, and then you have to go ahead and upgrade to get more campaigns. Very limited on the front end for that $17. Look, if I try and create another campaign now, it won't let me. It's reached the limit. But I would just look at these. What I would do is I review the campaign, and what I'm doing is I'm basically putting in a topic for my campaign, and it's giving me a load of these affiliate links with Creative Commons videos. Now I've checked most of these, they are Creative Commons, and the idea is that you can use these yourself. The big issue with Creative Commons for me is number one, are they really Creative Commons? Just make sure that the actual original person who put these up is allowing you to use them. John Cristani, for instance, does allow people to use his videos because it's all about exposure, and he wants exposure to his brand. And basically, number two, if you do upload them, you and lots of other people who bought this product are going to be uploading the same videos to YouTube. So you're going to have a lot of competition there just to try and get folks to come and see these videos. Now, Creative Commons videos can be used for your own purpose. They can be re-edited, which is probably the better thing to do here, is take sections of these videos and edit them. Because one thing you will find is everything that this John says in this video, for instance, is all directed to what he's doing and his product and his brand. So if you're trying to build your own real business online, you're going to have to figure out a way to have your own content, your own identity within your channel. It's the only way you build a channel, guys. It's hard enough to build a channel, as I know, just by doing your own videos. Never mind using somebody else's, where everything they say is all about their own brand and their own topic within that particular video. So what they're trying to do basically is you download these, you upload them into your own YouTube channel, and then you are advertising these ClickBank offers. Now, some of these ClickBank offers are pretty poor. Speechello is fine, ScribbleX is fine, they're good enough products, but there's some of these others. If you really care what your audience are going to buy off you and you want a long-term relationship with them, just don't go ahead and start blindly promoting anything on ClickBank or any of these other networks like Warrior Plus or JVZoo. You got to look at what quality products are. So it would be good to pick one or two of these, but then there's no congruency between Speechello, which is an app that allows you to have text to speech, and then something that John says in here about affiliate marketing at all. There's no reason why this person watching this video, if they did come across it on your channel, would then say, hey, I can't wait to get down to the description and actually go ahead and buy Speechello. There's a complete disconnect there. And that's where I think you're going to have issues in it. And that's why I'm being completely honest with you. Yes, you can use the videos. Yes, there's no reason why you can't use Creative Commons videos in your channel. Your problem is getting people to actually watch them and then having that congruency that actually gets people to come over to these links and start buying these products if there's no real reason to them. And I know this because I've done hundreds and hundreds of product reviews where I'm actually specifically saying, hey, you can go and hit this in the link in the description below, and the percentage of people who do that is very, very low. It's just like any other marketing. It's a numbers game. You'll only have a very small percentage of people that ever actually do click your link, subscribe to your channel, because a lot of people are too busy. There's lots of other reasons why they would not want to do this. And then once you have a complete disconnect between what you're doing and the product you're offering, I think you're not going to get much traffic here. So their claims about getting $59 every single time are also nonsense, because these are all different prices. So how does that even work? Explain to me how that would work. So that's the idea here, guys. And if I just come back to the channel lists themselves, if I just look at the crypto one again, these are all crypto style videos. Again, it's their own videos, it's their own brand, it's their own things they're recommending, because in each one of these descriptions there's lots of different links. And the idea is you download these and you re-upload them, but you know, this isn't you, this isn't your brand, this isn't anything. I mean, it goes from crypto game into these types of videos. So there is nothing inherently wrong with what there is suggesting here. I just think there is strategically not really a great way that you're going to start earning money. It's not a long-term business to me. It's a short-term hack, because you're going to have to continually find videos to upload into your channel. Starting a YouTube channel, having your own content on that YouTube channel, whether you're on camera or off camera, is a great idea. Lots and lots of people do it. If you got these videos and you chopped them up somehow and made them your own and made them unique, it would be a good idea. But just to go ahead and blindly download them, upload them into a channel and add this link, I don't think it's going to work very well. So that's kind of my view on UploadBucks. There is nothing really else to this product. They're not telling you to do anything that's inherently wrong. I just think it might be a little bit of a waste of time for you. So guys, I hope you find that valuable. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been up to my channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. There's some completely free training there that'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.